Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to do some algebra with Python. So let's get started. First we are going to make a variable called x. So let's make it equal to 2, and we're going to make a variable called y, which is equal to 5. And we will make a variable called z, which is equal to 10, and we are going to print and make an f string, and inside this f string we are going to type the value of 2x plus 3y times z is equal to, and we'll make some curly brackets, and we will inside the curly brackets we're going to type 2 times x plus 3 times y plus z. So yeah, when you run this, okay, there we go. And you run this, it says the value of 2x plus 3y times, let me just change that times to a plus, because we're not actually doing the times. So it says the value of 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 29. So let's see if this is right. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. And then you get 19 and the value of z, which is 10. And yeah, 19 plus 10 is equal to 29. So yeah, that was the end of this video. So if you like this video, make sure to click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.